Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Moses Adeyemi. So I'll be taking you through how to animate your text on VN Editor. So you open the project, new project, and you select the stock image. You can click any one, either black or white. So I choose white. So once you have your background, so you click on the T plus button to add your text. But before that, I want it to be in 16 by 9. So I choose my frame. So let's go. So just click on the plus sign to add your text. In my previous video, so I teach how you can add text. So once you add your text, so the next thing is for you to animate your text. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and leave your comment. So once you click on the T plus sign button, so it will take you the text where you can input your text. In my previous video, I go through all the text bars on the text menu. So if you have not watched my previous video on how to add text in VN Editor, please go ahead and check. So I'll input my text one after the other, and the next thing is for me to animate the text. So immediately I finish typing my text, so the next thing is for me to align each text to how I want the text to come out using my keyframe. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and please turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified immediately. Okay, so let's start adding our keyframe to each of the text. So just keep watching in details, see the way I'm adding the keyframe to each of the text and how I want the text to pop out, and adding my curve. So the reason why you're adding your curve is to make it come out in a smooth way, not just cutting and just moving in a fast pace. You want it to come in a slow and high pace. So adding the curve will give it a bit of beauty. So just keep watching, stay focused to your screen, and you see the curve. So you can do anything with this curve in a way, as in the way you want the text to come out. So just keep watching, and just pay attention to all the details on the screen. So keep watching now. No, so now you can see that the beauty of the text is start coming out gradually. So you just add the keyframe, keep adding the keyframe, and you see the end product of the keyframe and the function of the keyframe on how, so that your shots, your clips won't just come out bam like that. You put a bit of feel, a bit of emotions to it. And in my upcoming video, so I'll be taking you through how you can add your sound and let it match with your text, putting the sound effect on it on VN Editor. So just keep watching, and at the end of this I will export the final output of this test animation. And please don't forget, to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and like, share, and comment. So your feedback is so important to me. So thank you. So in the next clip, you see the final output of the final animation text.